everyone, welcome to another piano tutorial, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to play It's Garmadon from the Lego Ninjago movie. Give you a quick preview. You can always improvise it or change it however you want and repeat it a few times too, because this is quite a repetitive song. So let's break it up into parts to learn it. So first notes are going to be C sharp and F, and then C, E flat, and then C sharp F. And then they're going to be A flat, C sharp, C, A flat, C sharp. And then, with your left hand, you're going to be playing octaves, or you can do B flat D F, and then A C sharp E, or you can do B flat, just like that. So, let's try and put both hands together. So you're going to go which goes like this. Like that. So for the right hand we've got B flat, E flat, and then A flat, C sharp, and then B flat, E flat, and then F B flat, E flat, A flat, F B flat. Okay, so now for the left hand, E flats, B flats, or we can do E flat, G, B flat, B flat, D, F, like that. Okay, so now putting those two hands together, you can go so together and together, like that. And now up here we're going to do 3 B flats and B flats, 2 B, so octaves. You can always do it in single notes if you prefer, but I'll just do it over here. So both B flats, like that, 3 times. And then now we've got more right hand, so F B flats 3 times, and F A flat 3 times. And then the left hand is a bit tricky because we've got quite a few runs here. So we've got B flats or B flat D F, and then I think we should do octaves here because it sounds better. Then B flat, B flat, and then F C or F, and then B flat, B flat. Okay. So putting those hands together, it should sound like this. So F and B flat and both B flats or chord. So we've got G, B flat 3 times, and then just with these E flats or E to B flat and just E flat, and so it's going to be, and now we've got slightly different there, so it's going to be E flat, E flat, C sharp, B flat, A flat. So, and then we've got B flat. And then that's pretty much it. You can always improvise it or start from the beginning part again. But don't mention the part because that only repeats once in the song. Okay? Anyway, if you enjoyed my lesson, please give it a like And if you want a specific tutorial, please hit the comments and please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.